Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 1 greater cumulative training PC and Mac. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyItLab Accounting, MyItLab Finance, MyItLab Excel, MyItLab Word, MyItLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the first slide of this video and shown on bottom of the screen and given in the description. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp or email and we will deal for complete course. I will do your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to the MyItLab Pearson and then we will go to Excel chapter 1. Okay, we will download this file first. Click on download all button. Okay, all files will be downloaded in our download folder. We will go to our download folder. Open first instruction file. Click on enable editing button and then I will highlight this and then I will show. Okay, you can see here, you can see first title of assignment XP25 Excel chapter 1 cumulative assessment training. I have highlighted this. And here is the project description. You can see first this title of assignment, then we will read the project description. Project description is given. Then question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel chapter 1 cumulative assessment training Excel. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button. Okay, now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that your organization provides a discount to educators. However, the worksheet contains wording that needs to be change to education. Basically in this question we will use find and replace to find teacher and replace it with education. Simply we will find and replace teacher replacement with education. Okay, we will use the find and replace to find teacher and replace it with education. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, go to the home tab. In the editing group we will click on find and select button. Click on replace. Find is teacher. We will type teacher in the find box and then replacement then with education. Okay, we will copy and then we will paste in replace with education. Okay, click on replace all. You can see all done. We made 3 replacement. Okay, this question is done. Now we will close this. Now I am going to do next question. The next question of this assignment is question number 3. The worksheet contains spelling error that need to be corrected. Simply we will check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. Check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. Okay. We will go to the review tab. In the proofing group we will click on spelling button. Okay. Do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Simply click on yes button. Then click on change all and then we will click again change all. Okay, spell check complete. You are good to go. Click on OK button. Now I am going to do question number 4 of this assignment. The question number 4 of this assignment is that you cancel the charting basic worksheet because only one person registered for it. delete the row containing the charting basics worksheet. Basically in this question we will delete the row containing the charting basics worksheet. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will delete the row which contain charting basic worksheet. Okay, we will go to Excel workbook and then here is the charting basics data. We will select this row and right click on this and then simply delete this row from this Excel workbook. Okay, select this and then simply we will delete this. Right click on this and then click on delete button. This will be deleted from this workbook. Now I am going to do question number 5 of this assignment. The question number 5 of this assignment is that the Excel analysis and forecasting training course field and you open another course. Insert a new row between the big data foundation and data mining row. Okay, you can read this. Basically in this question we will insert a new row between the big data foundation and data mining row. Then we will copy row 5 and paste it into empty row. Okay, then we will change the dates to June 7 2027 in the date in the range C7 to D7. Then we will select this range C7 to D7 and then we will change the dates June 7 to 2027. Okay, June 7 and 2027. Then we will enter 11 in cell G7 and 10 in cell H7. Okay, the first point of this question is that we will insert a new row between the big data foundation and data mining row. We will go to Excel workbook. We will click on big data foundation row 6. Right click on row 6, simply click on insert button. New row will be inserted between click on row 7. Click on row 7 data. Okay, click on row 7 and then we will right click on row 7, then we will click on insert button. New row will be inserted between data mining and big data foundation. You can see new row will be inserted. Now we will move on next point. The next point is given in the instruction. You can see here I am going to do next point of this question. Copy row 5 and paste into empty row. Simply we will copy the row 5, select row 5, right click on this or we will control plus C for copy and then we will paste in the empty row. We will paste this copy row 5 into row 7. Empty row is the row 7. Click on row 7 and then we will control plus V. We will paste the data in row 7, empty row. Okay, you can see I have done this point so well. Now I am going to do next point. Change the dates to June 7 2027 in the range C7 to D7. Simply we will select the range C7 to D7. Okay, we will change the date 2027. Then we will D7. Okay, now enter 11 and G7. Click on cell G7 and then we will enter 11. Okay, then we will and 10 in cell H7. We will click on cell H7 and then we will type 10. Okay, this question is done now. Now I am going to do question number 6 of this assignment. The question number 6 of this assignment is that assign a code to each workshop, provide a reference number. You will use 6 to indicate the 6 month and 001 for the first workshop. Type 6-001 in cell A5. Use autofill to complete the range 6 to A10. Okay, simply we will click on cell A5 and then we will type 6-001. Okay, we will go to Excel workbook and then we will click on cell A5 and then we will enter this data. Click on cell A5. Okay, we will type in formula bar 6001. Then we will press enter. Then we will use autofill to complete the range 6 to A10. Okay, we will use autofill to complete the range A6 to A10. A6 to A10. Okay, this question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 7. I have done 6 question of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 7. The question number 7 is that instead of displaying dates such as 6 from 27, you want to display dates as 6 to 27. Format the dates in the range C5 to D10 with short dates format 3/14/2012 from the type list. Simply we will select this range C7 to D10, okay, with short date format 3/14/2012. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, select this range C7 to D10. Okay, then we will go to the home tab in the numbers group. We will go to the dates, click on short dates. Okay, this question is done now. Okay, now I am going to do question number 8. The question number 8 is that the worksheet contain column for the start and end dates. It would be helpful to insert a column to display the number of days for each workshop. Okay, insert a column to the right of end date column. Okay, insert a column to the right of end date column. Type hash of days in cell E4. Basically in this question we will have to insert a new column right of the end date column. Okay, then we will type hash of days in cell E4 of new column. Okay, please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, we will go to Excel workbook. We will insert a new column to the right of end column. Right click on column E and then we will click on insert button. New column will be inserted. Now we will type hash of days in cell E4. We will copy this hash of days and then we will type hash of days in column E4. Hash of days column E4. Okay, press enter. This question is done now. Now I am going to do question number 9 of this assignment. You can see on my PC screen. Please, my WhatsApp and email is given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Contact me for complete course deal. I will do your complete course with A+ grade. Okay, row 3 contains hash of attendee and gross revenue main headings. Centering these headings over their respective subheadings will help clarify the details. Okay, the main point is starting here. Merge and center the cell H3 and I3. Merge and center the range J3 to L3. Basically in this question we will merge and center the cells. Okay, H3 and I3, we will select the cell H3 and I3. This is the first point, H3 and I3. We will select where is H3 and I3. Select this tab. Go to the home tab in the alignments group. We will click on merge and center button. Click on merge and center. Okay, this it will be merge and center. Then we will merge and center the range J3 to L3. Okay, we will select second range is J3 to L3 and then we will go to the home tab in the alignment group. We will click on merge and center button. Okay, now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 10. The question number 10 is that applying a cell style will improve the appearance of headings on row 4. Okay. In addition, wrapping and centering the text in the heading cells will further improve the appearance of the worksheet. Main point of this question starting is here. You can focus on my PC screen for the range A4 to L4. Apply the good cell style, wrap text and center horizontally. Basically in this question we will select this range A4 to L4 and then we will apply good cells stored A4 to L4. We will copy this range and then we will select this range in the Excel workbook. Okay, go to the home tab. In the styles group, we will click on cell style button and then we will apply good cell style. Good cell style, go to the styles group, click on cell style button. We will apply good cell style is here. Okay, this good cell style will be applied. Then we will wrap text and center horizontally. Okay, we will go to the home tab. In the alignments group, we will click on wrap text button. Wrap text button, and in the alignment group we will click on center the horizontally button. Okay, you can see I have done 10 question of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 11 of this assignment. The question number 11 of this assignment is that you are ready to calculate the number of days for the workshop. Okay, you can see basically in this question we will enter a formula. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the number of days for the first workshop. Add 1 to result. Include the total number of days including the start and end date. The result may display in the dates format. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Okay, simply we will click in cell E5 and then we will enter a formula to calculate the number of days for the first workshop. Then we will add the result, add 1 to the result to include total number of days. Click on cell E5, press is equal to, and then we will enter a formula into end date minus start date. Okay, into plus 1. You can see end date minus start date plus 1, and then we will press enter. Then we will press enter. It will be shows hash of days. Okay, now copy the result may display in the date format. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Okay, this question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 12. The number of days results shows date rather than value. Applying the number format will solve this issue. Okay, apply number format with 0 decimal places and center the result horizontally in the range E5 to E10. Simply we will select this range E5 to E10. Then we will apply number format with 0 decimal places. Then we will center the horizontally. Okay, we will apply number format with 0 decimal places. Okay, we will go to the home tab. In the numbers group, we will open the number dialog box launcher and then we will click on number format. Where is number format? With 0 decimal places. Number format with 0 decimal places, and center the result horizontally. Center the result horizontally. Go to the home tab in the alignments group and then we will click on center the horizontally. You can see this question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done 12 question of this assignment right now. The next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is that the gross revenue is calculated by a type of customer. Column J is designed to display the gross revenue for corporate customers. In cell J5, enter a formula to calculate the gross corporate revenue for the first workshop by multiplying the cost per attendee by the number of corporate attendee. Copy the formula to the range J6 to J10. Okay. In cell J5, enter a formula to calculate the gross corporate revenue for the first workshop. Press is equal to in cell J5. Okay, by multiplying the cost per attendee by the number of corporate attendee. Cost per attendee by the number of corporate attendee for first workshop. Okay, where is cost per attendee multiplying by number of attendee, corporate and cost. Okay, corporate and multiplying by cost per attendee. Okay, then we will press 1 second F5 multiplying by H5, then we will press enter, it will be find corporate. Now we will copy the formula to the range J6 to J10. Copy the formula to the range J6 to J10. Okay, I just show you 15 question in this video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. And reach me out for your other courses like MyItLab Accounting, MyItLab Finance, MyItLab Excel, MyItLab Word, MyItLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, Medical, Nursing, and many more online courses. You can easily contact me and I will under your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will provide you each A plus grade and each and everything. You can see now I am going to submit my file. I have done this assignment for my one student and I will show my grade. I am going to submit this assignment right now. Okay, then I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. You can see this grade. Click on continue button. You can see I have got 100% grade in this assignment. Thank you so much my all student. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.